Hi, I'm Santina with WTI. If you're looking for a great everyday facial lotion, I want to recommend this one from CeraVe. There's a few things that I really love about this lotion. First of all, it doesn't feel very heavy. I put it on my skin, all over my face, and it just feels nice and light, and it works perfectly underneath my foundation that I wear every day. I also love that it comes with sunscreen. So this one has SPF 50 and I think that's great. I really don't want to get a lot of sun on my face. And it comes in a nice convenient package. It's small, you can travel with it. I think the pump is really easy. It works really well. And I also like that it has a neutral scent. It does not have a strong scent, so I don't have to worry about that at all. Overall, it's worked really well, and that's my point of view.